Hi, this is Dean at Sentinel Soap. In today's video, I'm going to be making my first double loaf soap in cold process. So I'm using twice the mixture that I would normally use because I'm making 2 loaves. For my fragrance, I'm going to be using black raspberry and vanilla. For my colors, I'm going to be using pink, purple, black, and most of the base will be white. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description below. I'm really happy with the fragrance that I chose. It's a really beautiful fragrance. If you haven't tried it already, ask your supplier and give it a go. For this design, I'm going to use an in the pot swirl. So I'm going to add all the colors into the white base, give it one swirl, and then pour it into the molds. Unfortunately, the battery ran out and I wasn't able to film it, but I added some shooting star glitter on top. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.